Greetings, my brothers and sisters in Southeast Texas. I'll be posting a letter later online, and it will also be read at all of our parishes this weekend. I'm addressing the situation regarding Governor Abbott's relaxing of the statewide mandate on face masks. I know that's raised a lot of questions for all of us. We will continue. The governor himself has said Texans know how to best protect themselves, and the number one way to do it is face masks. We will continue to do the same in our churches and in our schools. I do want to recognize that we're making great progress in our fight against the virus. And so a couple of things that I would like us to consider. First of all, if the church architecture and the pastoral need is there of numbers, I always want to make sure that right now we have at least half of our church maintaining social distancing. But if the church allows for it, the pastor can take down some of those barriers so that for those who have maybe had the vaccine, who are not in a vulnerable situation, they can sit more closely together. That allows us to get more of us in our worshiping community while still wearing masks. The third piece is that of the reception of Holy Communion. Certainly, I want to continue to encourage us to receive in the hand. But I know there are some of you out there who have a deep desire to receive our Lord, Eucharistic Lord, on the tongue. I understand that, and my heart has really hurt for those of you, especially those not receiving communion during this time. So to allow for that, if you would come at the end of the communion line, which allows the clergy or the extraordinary minister of Holy Communion to then purify their hands after the distribution, we will allow for that. And we're going to continue to open up, folks. This is still a pandemic. 500,000 people have died. And we're going to get through this together. This is the Lenten season, a season where we make small sacrifices for the good of others. And so in charity, I ask us to continue to wear masks, to social distance when it's necessary and important, to receive communion in the hand if at all possible, but for those that have a deep spiritual need, to receive on the tongue. By Easter, by the Easter season, as things open up, please God, we will continue to move forward. We are moving forward, and by God's grace, we are going to get this through this together.